In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the layout of your form fields in HubSpot. In order to do this, you first need to head over it right here into your marketing and then go over right here to your forms. So you can either create a new form or edit an existing form that you currently have on your HubSpot. So for example, on our case, let's just edit an existing form. So head over and then click onto the form options or actions as well. And then onto this case, just go over to the layout and style. Let's first click on edit in order to open it. Now onto the styling tab, you can just click on this. And for this, you can just choose the field arrangement. Here we have the fields. You can edit that out however you want, changing the padding, the text, and the likes. So you can edit it out however you want it to be and align it to your branding. Once you're done, just review and update this change that you have made. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.